welcome back to another brand new video. I'm Aditya, and in this video guys, we'll be learning about some of the operators which are used in conditional statements. So in the previous video, I guess we have just seen the basic implementation of how conditional statements work. Now we'll be seeing some operators which are used in them. So without wasting time guys, let us get into the video. So guys, there are two main basic operators which are used in conditional statements, and they're categorized like relational operators and logical operators. So these are almost the same in any programming language you go, like C++ or Java. So that's very simple intro about them. Now, what are relational operators? They're just like the same thing which you learn in mathematics. Just like greater than, lesser than, equal to, lesser than equal to, greater than equal to. I think we have already seen them in the previous video. And another side is like logical operators. So these operators are a little bit different. So if you're specific with hardware or stuff like that, there you have like AND gates, logic gates, right? In hardware like that, AND gates, OR gates, NOT gates. So same like that in programming. So what these are very simple. So let us have live example. Let us see how these work. So it might be a little bit helpful to you to actually see how they are working and easy to understand. If I just tell the concept, you may not get it at the first time. So let us have a simple relational operator first. So I'll just write 1 is greater than 0. We know it is greater than 0. So I'll just keep like this, and here we get expression is always true. Yeah, because 1 is always greater than 0. You cannot deny it. And first we'll learn about the OR operator. So you use the OR operator like this. If it was in Python programming language, you would have written something like this. So in programming language like C#, C++, you use this perpendicular lines, whatever. So yeah, perpendicular lines. So like that you use them, and after that you can write any other condition. So these are actually used to have multiple conditions given at the same moment. Like you can see in the if condition block, we are giving multiple conditions. So here what I can give is 10 is greater than 1. So that's also true. So the thing is, I'll give another condition like 11 is lesser than 1. So here you can see the intelligence of this IDE. So whatever conditions are true, they are being highlighted, and whatever is coming as false, it is being grayed out. So the speciality of OR is that whatever conditions you have given over here and specified them with separating them with OR. So what it's going to do is, first it's going to see the first condition given. So it will check if it is true or not. So in our case, this is true. It will see the OR operator, and then it will go and check the other condition which we have given. Then it will check if it is true, good, and again it will search if there are any other conditions separated by other logical operators. So in this case, we have OR operator again, and it will again check the condition given, the third condition. Now it is saying that this is condition which is coming as false. So it will see, the compiler, what it will do is it will check from all the conditions where OR is used, and it will see at least one is one coming as true. Then if at least one is coming as true, then it will execute that if block. So if none of them come as true, then it won't execute. So let us see the implementation. So I'll just write like print. I just got used to that Dart and Python. So here we'll write executed, simple statement, so that we know executed. So one thing I'll do is I'll just remove this. I don't think we need it. So there are just paying two conditions, one and this one. So let us run this over here. And by the way, I'm using a different IDE. I think you might have noticed that. So instead of Visual Studio Code, I'm using this new IDE called as Rider. This is also a very good IDE. So yeah, here you can see we got as executed. So now you can see it has executed because we have kept the OR AND operator and given two conditions. So here it is saying if one condition is true, good. If any one condition, I mean. So if no, it won't execute. So suppose I keep less than, and here, now let us run this program again. Okay. So yeah, it actually did not execute only. So here you can see we did not get anything. Let me just add an else block so that we can see CW did not execute. So here you can see we got did not execute because both of these conditions are coming as false. So that's why it did not. Now if we replace them with AND operator, and what we do is give one condition as false I think you might have guessed what it is. So it will still not print. So if it was OR operator, that time it would have print because that one condition is coming true. But while we can see when we use AND operator, it will check for all the conditions given used with that operator, and if all of them come true, then only it's going to execute that block, then only it's going to give the green signal, or else it won't give. So here we can see we got did not execute. And now we have the NOT operator. So the NOT operator is kind of a little bit different, not like that. I think you might have understood these two right now, that is OR and NOT, OR and AND operator. No, the NOT operator is very simple. It's just like giving you the opposite. Suppose I have like 10 is greater than 9, simple, and I add NOT operator. So NOT operator is just like an exclamatory mark. So here we can see we got this expression is always false. Is it always false? No, I don't. Yeah. So the thing is, what we are doing is I'll just make it opposite. Now we get the expression is always true. You can see. So what's happening here? Let me just tell you. So first we are giving a condition saying that 10 is less than 9, which is false, right? So what this NOT operator is doing is that let the condition be anything. What I'm just gonna do is convert it from false to true, or if true is given, true to false. So in this case, this is a false condition, so it's converting it into a true condition. So it is just replacing false with true. So whatever these conditions are at the compile time, these conditions will either return true or false, and based on that 0 or 1, the if block will know to execute or not. Now here, using the NOT operator, without the NOT operator, it would give 0 or false. And if it was true, so when we use the NOT operator, what it is doing is that instead of 0, it is returning 1. So the if block will probably execute. So not probably, it will execute. So now let us run this program, and if we see, you can see executed. So that was about very simple, I guess, explanation about what these operators are. So I guess I don't need to explain about the relational operators because they're very simple. So when we have greater than and lesser than and greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, so these are one, and we have equal to. So this condition is also false. 10 is not equal to 9. Here you can see this expression will still return true because we have used the NOT operator. So NOT just converts from whatever is the opposite thing. So if it's true, false, false, true. That's it, simple. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon also, so that you don't miss any notifications from my YouTube channel whenever I upload a new video. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.